The community is vested in what we do. They follow the progress that we make, and we thought it'd be cool to get their opinions and their input and their participation in what this restoration challenge is going to look like.
I think the 914 is probably one of the best platforms for a really interesting build. Hopefully something similar to like a Dakar or Safari, and maybe change the color to possibly like an olive green, bronze wheels, dark brown interior, light bar, jacked up with larger wheels, something really different and unusual.
What I see is some fender flares, raising the suspension, putting some headlights on it above the front bumper. It could be a cool car.
I think the 914 is one of the most forgotten Porsches. You know, they're a forgotten timepiece. Everyone's focused on the 944s and the 911s, so being able to get a resto mod like this, I think would be really cool to find the hidden treasures of the Porsche catalog back in the 60s and 70s.
I think it looks great the way it is. I would drive it just like that. But yeah, for the restoration, maybe do some a lot of the details, but leave the exterior the way it is. Yeah.
So, like the pictures on the table, they're kind of cool, and we should go based off one of those. The blue one, looks like just basically like a track car.
I like some of the new frosted, bright colors that they've come out with, and I think that would get the attention first. Is the color, which mostly attracts people to cars, to looking at them, but then to find out and see, gee, something about it looks a little different. Oh, it's a little wider than the standard 914, or it's the wheelbase, the wheels, tires, large wheels, tires. And then when you find out it's actually on a base Cayman platform, I mean, that would be outstanding.
Each year the car's gotten better and better, and the people that they have, the craftsmen that work on these Porsches at Porsche Tucson, they'll turn it into a really, really interesting build.
Workmanship like you did on the earlier 911 for last year was just truly outstanding.
I think it's really cool. I think it's an amazing opportunity for Porsche at Tucson and for the Tucson car community in general to have something that we can see go regionally and nationally. Like I said, I've gone to Monterey Car Week last couple of years and seen your guys' registrations at the competition, and it's right next to 20 other cars that were restored by other Porsche dealerships, and it stands up just as well next to any of those cars. So it's really cool to see a place from where I'm from compete at that level. So I'm excited to see what you do with this one.
We enjoy the journey. The journey is the most important thing. In the last 4 years, we've enjoyed every step. This year's not going to be any different. It was important for us to get the community together. As you see, everybody's turned out. We've got a lot of opinions of what Tucson community thinks we should do with our next restoration challenge. Got some great ideas, and now we go to work.